Let's look at this question. Find n where log sin x in base 10 and log cos x in base 10 is equal to -1. Okay, and log of sin x plus cos x in base 10 is equal to half of log of n in base 10 minus 1. Okay, let's see how do I get this. First I will work with this expression. I get log of sin x into cos x is equal to -1, or sin x into cos x is equal to 10 raised power -1 or 1 by 10. This much we know. Now looking at this expression on the right hand side, I get see this 2 will go here, so it will become sin x plus cos x whole square. So, and this 1 will turn to log 10 itself. So this expression would be log of n by 10. So sin x plus cos x whole square is equal to n by 10. When I open this up, I will get sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 times sin x cos x, which I know to be 1 by 10. So let me put that as 1 by 10 is equal to n by 10. Sin square x plus cos square x I know to be 1. So 1 plus 2 by 10 is equal to 12 by 10, which is equal to n by 10, and therefore n should be equal to 12. Answer to the question is option D. Understand that for this question, don't leave it because there is sin x and cos x mentioned. We have not used a single trigonometric identity except sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, which I am sure everybody remembers.